welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a basketball jersey. So let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the jersey. At the beginning I have started with the shoulder, and now I'm drawing its neck. Let's draw its body. I'm creating two borders, trying to do the same thing in the sleeves. Though this is sleeveless. Let's start coloring. I'm using black. And now I'm using brown. Let's write the number here. Yes, it's 23. Let's create a border. And now I'm writing basketball. Let's create a border with pink color pen. And I'm filling it with pink as well. I'm creating another border with pink. And now I'm using yellow. Finally, I'm using red. My coloring is done. Thank you so much for watching.